Welcome to the Silver Report's weekly wrap-up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed up 4 points. Monday saw big tech taking big losses. Investors unloaded shares of tech companies over concerns that the U.S. government could bring an antitrust probe to some of the biggest tech names in the country. This has been discussed before, but we'll see how serious the government gets this time around. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up 512 points. The tech stocks that were down on Monday bounced back. Investors felt bullish due to speculation that the Fed may lower interest rates in the future. In earnings news, Salesforce.com beat EPS estimates by 5 cents and revenue estimates by $50 million. Ambarella beat EPS estimates by 7 cents and revenue estimates by $180,000. GameStop, the dead company walking, beat EPS estimates by 10 cents but missed on revenue by $90 million. And Tiffany's missed EPS estimates by 5 cents and revenue estimates by $10 million. On Wednesday, the Dow closed up 207 points. The markets were able to brush off the underwhelming jobs number to secure its third green day in a row. In other news, Fiat Chrysler withdrew from its merger talks with Renault. In earnings news, Five Below's EPS of 35 cents was in line with analyst estimates, and revenue beat analyst estimates by $2.5 million. Campbell Soup beat EPS estimates by 9 cents but missed on revenue by $170 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed up 181 points. Possible delays to Mexican tariffs caused investors to get bullish on stocks. In other news that moved the markets, there was a report that IBM plans to lay off 1,700 workers. Ouch. In earnings news, Beyond Meat reported earnings for the first time as a public company. The company beat EPS estimates by a penny and revenue estimates by $1 million. DocuSign sold off hard in after-hours trading after its earnings release. The company beat EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $5 million, but a slowdown in subscription revenue caused some investors to sell. And Zoom reported earnings beating EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $10 million. On Friday, the Dow closed up 263 points. Despite a May jobs number that pointed to a slowing economy, investors remained bullish on stocks. In other news, Elliott Management announced that it will acquire Barnes & Noble in a deal worth over $600 million. FedEx has made a decision to not renew a domestic delivery contract with Amazon to focus on the broader e-commerce market. And it appears Uber lost 2 chief executives on Friday. The news came out as the markets were closing. It'll be interesting to see if this has any effect on the stock on Monday. Overall, the markets closed up this week. The Dow saw triple-digit gains Tuesday through Friday. In crypto news, digital currency saw a pullback during the week but seemed to be rallying going into the weekend. Bitcoin was trading at $8,033, Ethereum was trading at $251, Litecoin was at $118, and Ripple was trading at 42 cents. Crude oil closed the week out at $54.05 per barrel, slightly higher than last week's close. A big winner for the week, Beyond Meat, BYND. The stock gained 42% on the week. A big loser for the week was DocuSign, DOCU, which lost 15% on the week following its earnings release. And a weekly reminder, if you're in need of fresh investment ideas, check out our quarterly newsletter, The Civil Report, which was released on June 1st. You can find it at civilreport.com. Thanks again for checking out the Civil Report's weekly wrap-up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.